Hey Ken, how we doing? How we doing today?
Man, Don, we're doing awesome. What's going on?
Well, you know what? There's a lot going on, and I think we know there's a lot going on. So why don't we make sure everybody else knows there's a lot going on?
I
Because
I agree.
otherwise, they're not going to know what's going on.
If they don't know what's going on, you're exactly right.
Exactly.
That's why we're doing this, right?
Otherwise, it was, and we don't want people to know what
Was.
was. We want to know what is.
And if they don't know, they can't get in on it. We got so many things going on, so many cool
Well,
things
wait.
happening here.
There's a couple of people that we don't want to get in on it, so we got to be careful. Or do we just open
Um,
it up to everybody?
I think we should. This one, I think we just need to open to everybody.
I'll leave it up to you.
Yeah, yeah. Let's open it to everybody. What do you got?
I don't know. After all that, I forgot. It's all right. It's
It's
all right
all in the
here. See,
script.
what's cool is people can't see it. I can put it up there, but I got it all translucent.
Yeah, I
So
agree.
maybe
Me too.
maybe we should talk about it.
Let's talk about it.
Let's step back. Let's uncover the mystery, one beep at a time.
3 days, one detector, endless discoveries. Are you ready?
Well, I know I'm ready, but we got to let everybody else know. Here's the thing: whether you're brand new seasoned hunter, just got a metal detector, maybe it's something that you got with an LDMA membership, or you've had it, it's collecting dust. Or you're the same person that maybe you have one, two, 10 different metal detectors for all different uses. This is your chance not to get left behind. Welcome to Digger's Experience at Vane Mountain.
From September 18th through September 20th, the Lost Dutchman's Mining Association Vane Mountain Camp in Nebo, North Carolina becomes the ultimate treasure ground. There is more than just detecting, it's hands on training, real world hunting, seated hunts, and unforgettable evenings around the camp. It's 3 days of treasure, training, and fun in the backwoods.
You know what's cool about that, Ken, is when you say the backwoods, again, we're sitting in North Carolina. We have a great property, Vane Mountain, LDMA camp. We have hills. There's an old cemetery. There is an old homestead area. So, literally, what is right behind you on this screen, they have access to go find treasures there. We're going to take them out and do some hands on training and detecting out there. We're going for relics. A lot of times LDMA is doing gold. Well, you know what? Gold's over in California, Oregon, whatever. We're in North Carolina. What are we going to find? Relics, treasure hunting. You know what? And sometimes you got to give people a little bit more. We got to make sure they're having fun swinging their detector. So we're going to do some seated hunts every day, at least one seated hunt, all different ways. We're not going to make it easy, right, Ken?
No, no,
No,
it's going to be
no,
fun and exciting,
that
but
wouldn't
not
be
easy.
us. But the beautiful thing is, at the end of the day, we're going to come together. We're going to maybe play some games. We'll obviously have prizes. Just get that good old camaraderie back together. Every night will end that way. What do you think?
I love it. And let's not forget the big giveaways. Someone's taking home a brand new detector and a shiny gold nugget. And yes, the secretive mystery box. What's inside? You'll just have to be there to find out.
Well, wait a minute. Do I need to bring something to put in it?
Um, no, I don't want you to bring anything for the box
Okay.
because that's the mystery.
Okay. Sounds good
That's
to
the
me.
mystery. That's the
Maybe,
mystery.
wait, maybe you'll be doing some mystricizing. I'll be doing some mystricizing. We don't know.
How about we don't bring anything and we just leave it up to chance? It's a detector
Works for
hunt.
me.
Hey,
Works for me. Oh my God, this is great.
wait.
This is great. Here's the thing. As we're talking to people out there trying to get them excited about this, get their detectors out, polish them off, get them all dusted off, get the right coil on there, get the batteries charged, all that good stuff. We don't want them to think that they're alone on this journey, right?
No, absolutely not. Leading the way are some of the best in the business.
I agree with that. We've had this gentleman there before, Stephen Patterson. He's with Southern Relics. He has gone relic and treasure hunting literally all over the United States and for gold as well. He's done a lot of trainings back there for us. He's going to be there. Um, an up and coming person, Donnie Cummings, over 30 years of playing with a detector. From a little wee little boy, kind of like a leprechaun. He's going to be there sharing his experience and teaching. What's cool is you have people that have been doing this for years and years, and their passion is to get back, give back, and help others. And then, of course, we got you, Mr. Ken Flood, the hound dog himself. You're designing some of these crazy hunts, and I know you have a lot of excitement and surprises to put forth. And do I bring anything to the table? I don't know. I just want to come there, have a little bit of fun. But what I do know is always expect the unexpected. I will challenge. I will make this an adventure. Pretty much, I change the rules all the time to for my enjoyment. That's how I look at it. But you have all four of us there supporting to make sure that when you come, you're going to have a good time. But again, we're going to step back to make sure that you get good training, hands-on experience, learn new techniques, and get out there and let's find something. Let's uncover something that we've all been walking over, and we don't want to walk over it anymore.
No, no. And that's what's so exciting about this team. It's just amazing the talent that we have here. I've got to know Stephen quite well over the years. An amazing.
Well, hey, this is Steven with Southern Relics. Are you interested in learning more about your metal detector? Maybe you know your metal detector and you want to put those skills to the test and take part in some metal detecting games and also some good hunts, some good seated hunts. And you know what? Find something really great. Well, you can do that at the Vane Mountain Camp in North Carolina. This will take place on September 18th through the 20th. I will be there on the 19th, so I'll be there on that Friday. We'll be doing some training as well. Oh, and to top it all off, well, we're going to be giving away some stuff. As a matter of fact, I believe we're going to be giving away some metal detectors. And well, I can't tell you everything. You just got to sign up for it. You need to go to the LDMA website and sign up because this is going to be a good event. And yes, I'll be there on the 19th, September 19th. Man, I'm looking forward to it. It's going to be a lot of fun. Going to have a great time. And I want you to be there. So take part in this fall detecting experience at Vane Mountain Gold Camp.
Guy, Donnie, who's traveled all over the world.
Hi, my name is Donnie. I am so excited to be part of the Digger Detector experience. I am going to show you how you can become a better detector and find treasures like these.
Together, we'll help you build the confidence, master your detector, and maybe even uncover the find of a lifetime.
Absolutely. I love that. I love that. Every day is going to be a little different. Very first day, okay, boring. Let's get checked in, whatever. But you know what? Let's get out there. We got packed full days. Yes, you can go sit down and relax. We're not gonna, not gonna hurt you. But Thursday when we kick it off, we're gonna have some training. We're gonna go out hunting. But then that's where the hound dog and the fun guy get together in cahoots. And we have a little game called X marks the spot. It's a challenge game. Again, it's using your detector. We'll probably end that day with some bingo, and because we've been doing treasure all day, we'll probably bring gold on the line when you play bingo that night. What do you think?
I'd love it. That's an amazing day. And Friday is even more excitement going on. Friday is Stephen from Southern Relics is coming. We're bringing on the seated hunts and a fast-paced lingo game that we created some time ago. That's a great challenge. And a big dinner. We're gonna have an awesome dinner with wild left, right, center for what? Gold.
Let me step
Um,
back, Ken. You said dinner. Is that
yeah,
included?
dinner's included.
Nice.
I love
Nice.
what's included in all of this. This is an amazing experience because you're getting training and you get one-on-one training, and we've got some really cool training techniques that we're going to be bringing out that not many people actually ever get to see, and that's going to be an exciting thing.
It is, and I think just when we think that we can't raise the bar anymore, Saturday comes. Saturday is going to get packed with, additional training if you need it. We're going to go out and do some more wild detecting out there, but we're going to have a silver coin hunt. Those are always fun. And then here's another, some people have seen the movie, some people have read the book, but Da Vinci's treasure hunt's coming to Vane Mountain, and that's going to be fun. And then, of course, we'll end the evening with some rewards and some major prize drawings. So I think we're going to have a blast, absolute
Oh,
blast.
absolutely. 3 days of nonstop detecting. This is just detecting fun, and each one building skills, memories, and stories you'll be telling for years. But I don't
I
I
think
don't
so.
know how else we could do a better experience. I mean, this is amazing.
I think what we need to do is let people know you do not need to be a member of LDMA to participate. Anybody is
No,
welcome to participate.
absolutely.
And what we did when we put this together is, normally there's a fee, and LDMA will usually pay less than because they've earned it. But there's a fee, and what we did is we created the fee, but we also created a VIP, a very important person package that adds, what we're doing is it's valued at about $75. Well, actually, it's valued about $150, but it'll cost you $75. That means your camping is included, whether you're dry camping or a hookup site, but you better call in and get your reservation, which means you have to sign up for the event first. But that's the free camping. You're going to get a special event T-shirt, an LDMA souvenir,
Awesome.
and then we have these drawings where you get tickets and you can win these major prizes. You're going to get 25 tickets. That's 25 chances to whether it's the mystery box, the gold nugget, the detector, or the
Or
and
not.
we might even have one. So that VIP package, it is available for about another week, and then it cuts off.
Oh,
That's okay.
well, they just have to get over it. Dom, where can they go to see this? Where can they sign up?
Okay. Well, first, I think you got to remind people, when is this again? Because I don't know. You need to tell me when to
I,
show up.
okay, write this on your calendar, guys. Go write this and get your phone, get a pen, listen to my voice. And Dom, let's flash this up on the screen too. Hey, September 18th to the 20th. September 18th to the 20th.
At Vane Mountain.
Hey, spots are limited, by the way. They're
Absolutely.
vanishing quick. We
Absolutely.
got we got a lot of signups. I can't believe how many you told me. Spots are vanishing quicker than a beep on a hot target.
Love that.
It's
I
a
love
little
that.
there's a little metal detection fun there in there.
Oh,
So listen,
but
why don't you listen, guys, reserve your spots. Reserve your spot today at my LD. Let's
mylDMA.com.
just my
MyLDMA.
MYLDMA.com. Yeah.
Okay, let's do one last time. We
Let's
can
do
do
it.
it better than that. Okay, mylDMA.com. If you're not really sure, just call the Diggers Detector Experience hotline,
We
888.
have a hotline.
Yeah, it
Wow, we
just
got a
just like
hotline.
pancakes. It's
I
it
love
just
this.
like pancakes. It's hotter than ever. But it's 888-465-3717.
All right, let's
I'll
say that
repeat it.
again. 888
888
four
four
six
six
five
five three
three
seven
seven one
one
seven.
seven, and
Awesome.
let them know you want to sign up. They'll ask information about if you're camping in there, what rig, kind of whatever like that, and we will do first come first serve and getting your assigned thing. So, you know what? We may be getting to the point where you want a hookup site and we don't have them anymore, so you might have to go primitive camping. But don't worry, we do have toilet, showers, everything will be working there.
You did.
The bottom line is, if you have a detector, if you know how to use it, if you don't know how to use it, if you've never used it, if you've always used it, come be a part of this. This is an event. It's more than just detecting, but we have people that care and they want to help you find more treasure. We want them to help you decide, I heard a beep. Do I dig it? Of course you dig it. Dig every beep because you never know. You know, here's a true story. There was a gentleman that I knew, and he was detecting, and he dug down. He went about a foot down, and he finally found a little piece of lead. And he's like, there's nothing there. And I said, did you check your hole? And he said, there's nothing there. I got it. He put the coil down in the hole. He got another signal. He went down another 6 inches, and he found a beautiful, beautiful relic of an old like pistol. I mean,
Oh
part of
my
the handle
goodness.
was gone, but you could tell it was a pistol. If he stopped at that lead at that first beep, that would still be underground and people would still be walking over it. Lesson learned, check your digging holes.
Yeah, we've had it happen many times. To go over, get whatever, and they don't check the hole again. Somebody comes by. We had it happen. Somebody found a cache of coins. Only got one, but they went back and there was a whole cache of old wheat coins.
I'm thinking,
Why
Ken,
didn't you check your hole?
do we really need Steven? Do we really need Donnie? We could. No, I don't want to do this. I just want to
Nah,
sit back. I
you
want to sit back. I want
know.
to watch it. I want to enjoy.
I do. I kind of want to be a participant. I mean, I'm excited to do the event, but I want to grab my detector. I do.
Well,
Do you get your? You got to get your detector too.
I'll work on that.
You
I'll
work
work
on
on
it.
it.
We got to get you detecting.
All right, everybody. Very important. September 18th through the 20th. It means you want to arrive on the 17th because you don't want to miss anything. But September 18th through the 20th, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, 3 packed full days detecting, playing, swinging your detector, finding targets, having a good time. Very important. We have not done this in years at Vane Mountain, and
Mm-mm.
there's plenty more to find out there. So again, 888-465-3717, or go to myldma.com. Get your ticket so that you could participate. Let us know because VIP packages will be cut off in the next 7 days, and we want to make sure everybody has the same chance. And I don't know, any final thoughts, Ken?
We want you digging it. Beep beep.
Love it.